Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. And in the previous videos, we had done the chapter Tippity the Flying Squirrel. We did the chapter, we read the chapter, we did the question answers, and we did the grammar exercises also. A little part was left, that was time to speak. That is your speaking skills. Though it is done in the classroom, but right now because we are not having a schools, we can't come to the class, we can't come and do these speaking exercises. I'm just discussing. You can do it on your own and just look. Now this is a role play and telephone conversation. You know what is conversation? Talking to each other. So in this, a situation is given. Let us read the situation which is given. Payal is a receptionist. You know who is a receptionist? A person who sits at the reception of an institution or an office to welcome the customers and to help them out. Right? So Payal is a receptionist at the pet care clinic. Pet care clinic. Pet means animals. We keep animals as pets. Means it is a clinic for animals. She is responsible for making appointments for the doctor. Right? Here are two role-playing cards. There are two cards. Okay? Work in pairs. You have to work with your partner and enact the conversation between Payal and a caller. Now this we'll do when we will come to school, that you have to enact. You have to do this acting. One will become the Payal and the other one will become the caller. And they will talk. Okay? Take turns to be the receptionist. So children will take turns. So situation is this. This is Brijesh. You are Brijesh. You have a golden retriever. Now what is golden retriever? Golden retriever is a breed of a dog. Got it? Golden retriever is a breed of dog. You already have an appointment with the doctor on Thursday, the 6th. You have an appointment, which is day after tomorrow. Not today, not tomorrow, but a day after tomorrow. You are calling to see if you can change the appointment anytime on 5th. Right? 6th say he wants on 5th means ek din pehle. He wants to be preponed it. Preponed means set time se pehle karna. So he wants it to be preponed. You can visit the clinic on the 7th, but not before noon. So your Brijesh problem is ki you can either come on 5th or on 7th after noon. Noons means 12 in the day. You are also free on Monday. Now Monday, what will be the date on Monday? If this is Thursday, then 7th will be Friday and 8th will be Saturday and 9th will be Sunday and 10th will be Monday. So he is free on 10th also, but are busy the entire day next Tuesday, but not on 11th. Speak to Payal and make a new appointment. Now, I hope you have understood the situation. If I am Brijesh, then I have already taken an appointment for Thursday, day after tomorrow. Matlab aaj kya hai? Tuesday. So today it's Tuesday and I am talking to Payal ki bhai I have an appointment on Thursday, but I can't come on Thursday. Please set it for tomorrow. Okay? Or if you don't have the time on tomorrow, then give me on 7th, but only after the noon. Or else on Monday, but not on 11th. Okay, so these are my dates when I am free. Now I will talk to Payal to set an appointment. Now Payal is here. You have no free appointments for tomorrow because the doctor will not be present at the clinic. However, you can fix an appointment on Friday. Is he free on Friday? Just check. What is Friday? the 7th afternoon. Okay, so he is free on 7th. You can also fix an appointment with the doctor for the 10th and the 11th between 10 and noon. अब आपके पास कौन कौन से डेट्स है? 7th को 4:30 और 10th और 11th को 10 to 12, right? Answer the telephone and help Brijesh make a new appointment. Now, both of them will talk to each other and they will discuss at what time they can have the appointment with the doctor. Right, children? So, let us see how you have to do the dialogues. You may start like this. Payal, hello, this is Payal. How may I help you? Brijesh, hello, I'm Brijesh. I have an appointment with the doctor on Thursday, 6th, for my pet Brownie or any other name, but I want to cancel the appointment and have a new appointment. And that way, so Payal will ask, so which day, sir, how can I, on which day should I set the appointment? So, Brijesh will speak about a schedule कि I can come tomorrow or I can come on Friday after 12 o'clock, after noon. So definitely Payal will tell that tomorrow the doctor is not available. So you can come on 7th if it suits you and so on. Okay. So children, you can do this on your own. Take it as homework, though it is speaking skill, but I'll ask you to write it down, right? Now, let's move to the next. And next is our new unit, that is science. Okay? So, let us see what do we have in this. So, scroll. Unit 3, science. Here are some famous scientists and we have to match their inventions and discoveries. Okay? So, Alessandro Volta. What did he invent? He invented battery. Okay? Alexander Bell, what did he invent? The telephone. Alfred Nobel, he invented the dynamite. Next, Antony Lavoisier. Antony Lavoisier, he invented oxygen. Next, Marie Curie, she invented radium. Wilhelm Röntgen invented X-ray, right? So our sequence is 5, 3, 6, 1, 4, 2 on the right hand side. So in this unit, children, we are going to study about the different scientists, and here is an experiment that I want you to do and send me your answers. What do you get as a result? Okay? The experiment is, scientists propose with what you have to do in the experiment. You can read all this part on your own. Now the experiment is, take a bowl, right? Put a candle in it and put water in the bowl. Okay? Take the bowl, look, put a candle in it, fix it, fill it with water. After filling it, you have to light the candle and put a glass upside down. उस glass को उल्टा उस पे रखना है. Got it? Now what you have to do is, what you have to observe is, what will happen after some time? See, candle is burning and water is around and there's a glass inverted, right? So what will happen after some time? So this is your first question that you have to answer, right? Can you state the theory proved with the help of this experiment? This is your second question. Which theory is discussed in this experiment? So children, we have done such experiments many a times. Here it is with water, we have done it without water also. So I hope you have got my hint. So just do it and then answer me. Along with answer, I want a pic of your experiment. आपने experiment किया है, उसकी एक फोटो खींच के मुझे भेजिए. I want a pic of your experiment and a pic of your answer, written answer with 2 points. First point, what will happen after some time, and the second point will be, can you state the theory about which it is talking? Okay. Now, in this, there is another activity which we will do when you will come to school. So children, in this unit, as you might have guessed, we are going to talk about science, its inventions, and how it has helped us. The science and technology has made our life very easy and comfortable. But at the same time, it has proved a danger to us. But whatever it is, children, science and technology are created by human beings, and we are the masters, right? So let us master this technology and remove all its dangers, or we can't remove, then we can at least minimize these dangers. So in this unit, we will definitely study about science and technology, and I know you all are too interested in science and technology just like me. So our first one will be the poem, right? And I'm not going to tell you what. Okay, it is secret of the machines. Now what is the secret of the machines? Can you guess what is the secret of the machines? No? Okay, fine. In the next video, we will discuss the secret of the machines, and I want you all to be ready for it. Okay, children? Till then, I switch off my video here, and I'll join you again in my next video. Till then, thank you.